But how do we actually add our logo to the header? Well, to do that, we have to first hover over our website name here and click on it. And then here we can see that pen icon. When we click on the pen icon, then this menu will open where we can add our logo right here. So all I'm going to do is just drag and drop my logo into this box. Then once it's uploaded, I can play around with the size of the logo. So I can just drag this logo height to the right to make it larger or to the left to make it smaller. And optionally, we can also add a mobile logo for the mobile version of our website. Now later in the video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your site for mobile as well. And if you want to add a specific logo for that version, you can do that here. Now, one thing I want to keep in mind when adding your logo is that you always have to have contrast between your logo and the background. So I could add a bright logo here, maybe one in white, but then when I go to the other pages, the about or the contact page, then it will be hard to see because there the header is in a bright color and the contrast between the logo and the background will be a lot lower. Now, unfortunately, on Squarespace, we don't have the option to add a separate logo for the different header types we have. So for now, I would just add one that works on every page on your website.